Hello friends, how are you all? I am Priya Agrawal and I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. So friends, today in this video, we are going to create a simple 3D model with the help of Solidworks. And friends, this is the drawing with the help of which we will create this model. So let's start. So friends, for that, let's create a new file. So click on File and then here select New. And now friends, click on Part and now click OK. Friends, for sketching, let's select front plane. So friends, we will start by creating this side geometry. So let's start. So friends, first create a circle. Select circle from here and here create a circle like this. Now friends, select line from here and create a line like this. Now create a friends vertical line. Now horizontal line. Again friends vertical line in the downward direction. Now a horizontal line up to this circle. Now friends, double click. Now friends, here also click a horizontal line like this, then a vertical line, then a horizontal line. Now friends, right click, select. Now friends, let's start giving dimensions. So friends, for that, here click on Smart Dimensions. Friends, diameter of this circle is given as 50 mm and distance between this line and this line is given as 16 mm. Distance between this line and this line is also 16 mm. And between this line and this line, distance is 16 mm. Now friends, distance between the center point of this circle and this line is given as 64 mm and distance between this point and this line is given as 56 mm and this vertical length is given as 75 mm. See friends, now our sketch has turned black means it is fully defined. Now simply right click and select. Friends, here we need to create one more line. So for that, select line command and here from here select create a line like this up to this line. Now simply right click select. And here friends we want to trim this section. So for that click trim entities and friends here select power trim and trim like this. See friends. Trim this also. Now it's fine. And friends trim this side also. Now friends is perfectly fine. Now friends we will extrude it. So friends here extrude length is given as 76 mm. So for extruding it, click on extrude box base from here, features. And here friends give extrude length of 76 mm and keep end condition blind. And from here click OK. Like this friends. See. Now friends, let's start hitting holes. So here are 4 holes. So let's start by creating these 2 holes first. So friends for that, click on this face and here select sketch. Friends here select create 2 circles like this. And friends here create a center line like this. Center line from this edge is 38 mm and diameter of this circle is given as 12 mm. Circle from this edge is at a distance of 16 mm. And from this center line is it at a distance of 22 mm. Now friends, simply right click and select. Friends, here give relation equal between these two circles. Because diameter of both the circle is equal. And friends, here give relation symmetric about this line. Here select symmetric reference. Now this circle has also turned black, means our sketch is fully defined now. Now friends, for creating holes, we will use cut extrude command. So go on the features and here select cut extrude, extruded cut. And friends, see, we want to create a through hole here and it is coming down, so simply click OK. Now friends, let's create a hole here, or simply we can edit our first sketch. So for that, click on this sketch and click on edit sketch. And friends, here create a circle like this. And friends, diameter of this circle is given as 25 mm. Now simply click OK from here and from here also OK. Friends. Now friends, it's time for creating our last hole, this hole. So friends, this hole is of diameter 25 and from this edge it is at a distance of 32 mm. So let's create this. So for that, select this plane and here select sketch. And friends, here create a circle like this. And friends, diameter of this circle is 25 mm. And distance between the center point of this circle and this edge is given as 32 mm. And from this edge, this circle is at a distance of 38 mm. So friends, it is now fully defined. So let's create our cut. So for that, simply click on extrude cut. And friends, here for end conditions, select up to next. So friends, see, it is coming up to this face. Now simply click OK. See friends, so our 3D model has been created. So now it's time to give it some material. For that, go into appearances and here friends, select any material of your choice. So here I am selecting brass. And friends, here let's give it sandblasted brass. See friends. So friends, did you understand how to create a solid model of this type with the help of SolidWorks? So friends, if you have understand it well, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep watching such kind of tutorials. And also, you can share with your friends so that they can also be benefited. And thank you for watching my video.